Number 23 has a different approach. They already put this into vertex form. So the vertex of this, or we need to identify the, first let's identify the axis of symmetry and also the vertex. Vertex here, it's going to be 1/2 comma negative 25/4. Our axis of symmetry, since we are working with a function of x, that means it's going to be just a normal parabola going up and down. So our axis of symmetry is equals to the, we'll do an arrow, x equals 1/2, because it's always going to be h value. Let's put this into the root form. All right. So that means what we're going to do, we can just, it wants us to find the roots. It's already done for us, so why not just do it? So we have, let's add this over, and let's drop that. Since let's make f of x 0. We could just show the process. Let's pretend this, we're solving for it now, so we make that a 0. We get x minus 1/2 squared minus 25/4. Add the constant over, and we're just going to flip it, so we're used to, we're going to flip it. So we get x minus 1/2 squared. All I did is I just flipped the side, and I added the 25/4. So it's equal to 25/4. So again, all I did is I added 25/4 to this side, and I flipped it. Now, the first step is to square root it. Then we get x minus 1/2 equals plus or minus 5 divided by 4, or divided by 2, sorry, because the square root of 4 is 2. Then we add, move it up a little bit, I'm going to add the 1/2. X equals 1/2 plus or minus 5/2. Common denominator, perfect. So we have two answers. Let's do the positive answer first. So we get x equals 1 plus 5 divided by 2. X equals 6 divided by 2. X equals 3. So our first root that we need to show is 3. And then we have our negative. So that would be x equals 1 minus 5 all divided by 2. X equals negative 4 divided by 2. X equals negative 2. Very nifty. So if these are two answers, we wanted to put it into two binomials, so it's going to look like this. F of x equals, that's a plus 3, so we're going to do x minus 3, because if we do the zero product property, it's going to show it's a positive 3. And the second one, if that's a negative 2, we get x plus 2. Perfect. That's going to be for our roots, and the roots, of course, as we can see right there. And now we want to put it into standard form. We want to put this into standard form. We can just use this to put it in standard form, and we're good. Why not use it? So, standard form, remember, is going to be ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, or f of x, whatever we're doing there, okay? So let's do that. We'll use this as our base. F of x equals x minus 3, x plus 2, distribute, x squared, distribute, plus 2x, distribute, minus 3x, distribute, minus 6. So our standard form is going to be f of x equals x squared minus x minus 6. All right, that's what we got.